All right, so right now I am here at Aldi in Munshiganj. As you know, I am an explorer, I am an adventure lover. So whenever I get some time, I try to explore new places because when you visit new places, you will be able to know lots of things about that place. You will be able to gather some experience, and that's why I really prefer it. So right now, as you can see, I'm here in a potato field, which looks really beautiful in this morning. And the area is really massive, as you can see. Oh my God, it's a gigantic place, right? Okay, and my two friends, Tashfir and Ariful, before me, and they are also exploring this area. And I'm also really very busy with making videos. This is my second video that I'm making here, and before this I made one video, and that was on Muktarpur bridge. And you know, it's a really beautiful shiny morning, but while I was coming in Munshiganj, that time it was really cold, because that was very early in the morning. But now the sun is shining like a gold, and I'm really enjoying my time. Okay, and as you can see, this is the land, and Munshiganj is also an ancient landscape. The area is so beautiful, and I'm also trying to enjoy my time. And if you also an explorer, if you love if you love adventure, you can visit this kind of places. You will be able to know lots of things about that place where you will visit. So my recommend for you is that try to visit new places and try to gather some experience. Okay, it doesn't matter how much money you have or how much time do you have, but if you have the intention, if you really want to enjoy your life, you can enjoy your life. Yes, and I am recording this video with my friend Ariful's phone, which is so beautiful, and which camera quality is really good. So yeah, that is the thing. And over there is a road. As you can see, so many vehicles are moving. And after that road, there is a canal available. Maybe farmers are used to bringing water to their lands from that canal. So it's really good. And if I show you my friends, as you can see, my friends are over there, and also a farmer is working on his land. It's really beautiful to see, and I'm just trying to describe the things that I'm having, or that I can see from here. So if you want, you can also explore new places in this way. It will be beneficial for you. You will be able to improve your English. You will be able to learn English, as we all are trying our best. As we are just finding some ways how can we learn English, or how can we develop ourselves. So try to explore new places, try to describe your activities in English, and in this way we can practice our English. In this way we can use what we learned before, or if you just try to describe new places in this way, it will be great for you. So try to visit new places, try to describe new places in this way. As you can see, there are some people here, and maybe they are they are local in this area. Maybe they are also farmer. So just have a look. There is a farmer, and he's very busy with working over here. And maybe this is his land where he's working now. So yeah, that's really great. Okay, so now I want to ask some questions to my friends. Let's see how they are feeling after coming here. So hey, my dear friend Ariful, কেমন লাগছে তোমার এখানে এসে?
Oh, I am feeling very good in
Okay.
this place.
All right.
Absolutely, yeah.
Okay, acha. Okay, so before coming here, we tested all these traditional matha.
Absolutely.
Okay, and ওটা কি ভালো ছিল মাঠাটা?
Yeah, it tastes very good, and we
Yeah.
tried.
Okay, no.
most-
Yes, all right. The taste of that matha was really good, really good. Okay, here is my another friend Tashfi. My dear friend, how are you today?
I'm also fine. What about you?
Yeah, I'm also good. If we rotate ourselves, then maybe the camera quality will be good. Yes, right now. Okay, so বলো জায়গাটা সম্পর্কে বলো. It's a beautiful massive land. So কি মনে হচ্ছে জায়গাটা কেমন?
এই জায়গাটা দেখে অনেক ভালো মনে হইতাছে।
অনেক ভালো. Okay,
এমনি পরিবেশ
okay.
হিসেবে অনেক ভালো।
He has his own sunglass. Let me wear it. Oh my god. Am I look smart now?
Yes.
আমাকে স্মার্ট দেখাচ্ছে বলো?
No, bro, we are very smart.
I'm very smart. I know this. I'm very smart. I know this. Okay, let's move forward. Okay, I'm just exploring my time. Maybe today I'm looking so smart with my new jacket, with my new t-shirt, and also now I'm wearing my sunglasses. So it's really great. It's really great. So if you want, you can take inspiration from me. I am trying to enjoy my life. At the same time, I'm also trying to develop myself. How am I develop myself? Or how am I am developing myself? I'm developing myself by learning English. So try to develop a skill that will make your own identity. Okay, you don't need anyone's approval, you don't need anyone to improve yourself. When you are so serious about your dreams, when you are so willing to improve yourself, you can improve yourself anyway. So try to big think, try to want more things for you. Okay, never ever afraid to think out of the box. Try to enjoy your life, at the same time try to develop a skill that will make your own identity. So I think it's enough for now, and we are just trying to explore this gigantic place. As you can see, I mean, I have nothing, I have no words to describe this place. Aesthetic, beautiful, wonderful. Whatever word I use here, it will be suitable for this place. So that's great, and that's really great. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you really like my video, please considering to subscribe my channel, and always try to inspire me, because I'm trying to develop myself from my own position. So if you also want, you can. So have a great day to all of you.